Good morning. Welcome to my channel, and from Sweden here. I have a new kit I have playing with. It's a Canva AI and a big flowers and some knolling it calls. It's a way to make different pages. So here we go. Well, we have some lined I have done as well, and another big flower and a background I made, and here's another big flower. This looked like a 3D, and yeah, and here are some painted flower. And 3D again. You see? I love it. Really beautiful. It looks like it's a clay or something. Yeah. Hope you can find something to do with them. You see? Really beautiful. And here are painted. And the same, painted again. And some text over here. Burlap background and text and flowers. And here I have another layer above. Yellow, so you can see, and here I have cut the flower in stripes and have it in other angle, and burlap and some text. And here I have a filter in yellow over the whole. So I just experiment with all the Canva AI. So, thank you for watching. Bye.